Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial we are going to learn about the projection of regular hexagon of 50 mm side having surface or plane inclined at 30 degrees to HP and side parallel to HP, right? And this is the problem for the projection of planes, right? And the plane is regular hexagon. Okay, so how we are going to start it? So follow the same steps. Okay, select a line. Okay, draw one XY, that is a reference line, give the naming, the text. Okay, select any point on the screen, then specify height, that is 0.2, rotation angle is basically 0. Okay, rotation angle is 0. Now you can see this is basically X and Y, the reference line. Here you need to write down VP, we always draw front view, and this is HP. In HP we always draw top view, right? And in the right bottom corner you can write down your name for the submission. Okay, HRC, right? Just click escape. Okay, so now we need to draw a regular hexagon. Okay, so select polygon from the toolbar. Okay, and they will ask us for the number of sides, so just click 6 because in the polygon we have 6 sides. Okay, 6 sides. Okay, and then press enter. Then he will ask us for the center of polygon, so we don't have to draw with the center of polygon, so we just tap the below buttons on the keyboard, right, and select edge. So once you are selecting edge, he will ask us for the first end point. Okay, so I am selecting this one as the first end point, right, and the side is how much? 50 mm, right? So I have drawn a hexagon of side 50 mm. You can check here, right? So now this is the hexagon of side 50 mm, right? So just zoom it. Okay, and now what you can do, you can give the dimensions. Okay, so go to dimensions, select a line, right, and click this particular point, you can check this is the 50 mm hexagon. So convert it into cyan color. Okay, now what you need to do, you need to give the text command, right? Select any point on the screen. Okay, specify height is 0.2, rotation angle is 0, and give the naming. So this is my point A, this is my point B, this is my point C, this is my point D, this is my point E, and this is my point F, right? So from this particular, and this is basically my true shape, dear student. This is for your understanding. Okay, so if you are not writing in the examination, that is also okay, that is also accepted by all the invigilators. Okay, then press escape. Okay, so from this particular point, what they are saying now, draw the projection of regular hexagon of 50 mm side having surface plane incline at 30 degrees, that is the true length inclinations. So we have drawn the true shape. Now we need to draw the true length. So true length, where it will be, it is given side parallel to HP. Whenever side parallel to HP means you need to draw true length above XY reference line. So how you are going to do that? Just press on line, draw the projectors from this particular point. Okay, and that projectors will be perpendicular. Okay, press escape and then select here. Okay, so from this particular point, so if it is not coming perpendicular, what you need to do, click on the ortho commands. Okay, so now you can check this going perpendicular, press escape, again select one of the point of this particular figure. Okay, so I'll click on the snap, right? So now you can draw another perpendicular. Okay, so press escape. So these are the projection lines. So immediately you need to convert it into cyan color. Okay, they press escape. Okay, so how much true length will be? So from this particular point to this particular point, this will be true length. Okay, so you can mark one of the point here. Okay, so this is one point and this is basically another point, right? And from this particular you need to draw one horizontal. Okay, so this is basically your true length. So you are again getting one point here. Okay, so you can snap it, right? So this is basically the true length. So you can give the naming button, the text. Okay, here I am selecting on the screen then specify height is 0.2, right, and the rotation angle is 0. Okay, so this particular point is my A dash, B dash. Okay, so what we can do is coming, so it's occupying the space. Okay, so here we write down A dash, B dash. Okay, sorry, B dash. Okay, so this is my point A dash, B dash. This particular point is C dash, F dash. Okay, and this particular point is my E, D dash, E dash. Okay, so now once you are giving this is basically your true length, dear students. Okay, click here, then press escape. Immediately give the dimensions. Okay, do not forget to give the dimensions. So click here on this particular point. So this particular line and this particular line, the dimension is how much? 0.8660, right? Again, go to dimensions, select a line. Okay, from this particular point and from this particular point, this is another dimensions. Okay, so what we need to do, convert this particular dimension into cyan colors. Okay, so to zoom it, press Z, enter, A, enter. Okay, so this is now your screen, dear students. Okay, so now the surface inclination is given. How much it is given? 30 degree, means true length inclination is given. So what you can do, you can draw one projector line from this particular A dash B dash locus, right? So I have drawn that, right, and convert this particular projector line into cyan colors. Okay, now mark any point here particularly. Okay, so click on snap, right? So I need to mark A dash B dash. Okay, so here for example this is my A dash, so I'm marking one point here, that is A dash B dash. Okay, so from this true length I need to incline at 30 degree. Okay, and the length of the true length will be 0.8660. So I'm selecting one of the line, I'm clicking on ortho, selecting this particular point, right, and the length is 0.8660. Then press tab and the rotation angle is 30 degree. Okay, just press enter. Okay, then press escape. So this is my dear students another point. So click on and click on snap, right? So this is my another point. So click on point, right? So you can check this is my another point, right? So convert. So just before that, give the dimensions for your understanding. Okay, click here, click here. Okay, so now you can check this is 0.8660. Okay, and convert this particular dimensions. Okay, press escape, convert this particular dimension to cyan color. Now I need to mark this particular C dash F dash on this true length. So if I'm clicking here, so I'm not able to locate the point, right? So I'm converting this particular line into a red color, and now I'm selecting one line and selecting this particular point, right? So how much length is 0.4330. So this is the dimensions from this particular point to this particular point, right? Then click tab and rotation angle is 30 degrees. So now you can check, press escape. So this is the point overlap on the red line, and this is particularly my point C dash F. From this particular point I can draw one point. Now convert this particular red line into white color, that is layer. Okay, so now you got three different points. Okay, you can check the dimensions as well. So from this particular point, right, from this particular point and from this particular point you can check. So it is coming on the left side. So press escape, go to dimensions, click align, so that you please select the dimension in such a way that it should be visible for the invigilator. So now you can check, this is 0.330, convert it into cyan color. Okay, now you can give the naming. So go to dtext command. Okay, select any point on the screen, give the specify height is 0.20. So I am selecting 0.1 because the text is getting bigger. Okay, so now you can check here. Okay, now this is my A dash, B dash. Okay, this particular point is my C dash, F dash, and this particular point is my D dash, E dash. Okay, so the rotation angles I need to give. Okay, so press escape, do the dimensions. Okay, so on the dimensions notifications also you have marks in the examinations. Okay, so you can check, this is my 30 degree rotational angle. Okay, so press escape. Now from this particular point I need to draw the horizontal vertical projections. Okay, so how I'm going to do that? Go to line, okay, select ortho here, okay, and draw one perpendicular from this particular point to yeah, okay, so it is not coming, so you can select like this. Okay, so zoom it. Okay, so press escape, basically put shade, enter, enter. Okay, now your screen is completely visible. Okay, so from these 3 points I need to draw vertical projectors. Okay, so I have selected this particular point, this is one projector. I have selected this particular point, this is second projector. Okay, so if you are not able to see, so you can zoom it, so control G. Okay, so here see, you can select here, this is another projector, press escape, draw one projector from this D dash E dash. Okay, press escape. Okay, similarly draw horizontal projections from this two shape. Okay, so this is one projector, escape, another projector from A and E. Okay, so if your figure is correct, it will be passed from accurately across from the point. Okay, and then from C dash. Okay, press escape. Okay, so now these are the projectors lines. So convert these projector lines to which color? Cyan color. Okay, now your only true shape, true length, true inclination and top view will be in the white in color. Rest of the dimensions and projector lines will be in basically cyan color. Okay, now from this F line projector and this particular F line vertical projector, this is my point F, right? Similarly, from this A and this particular projector, this is my point A. This is my point B. This is my point C. This will be my point D. This is my point, right? So join these particular points with the help of the straight line. Okay, so join these. Okay, so OSNAP command should be perfectly selected, then only you will get such kind of things. So now see, I'm not able to draw the inclined line, so I have unclick on the ortho and then click here and click here. Okay, then press escape. So dear student, this is my basically top view. So I'm naming it the text. Okay, clicking on this particular line. Okay, and the height will be 0.1 and rotation angle is 0. Okay, so this is basically my top view. Alright, and this particular point is my A1. This is my F1. This particular point is my E1. This will be my D1. This is my C1. This particular point is my B1. Okay, and this is basically the solution for my this particular problem statement. So I can press Z, enter, A, enter. So you can see all the dimensions are basically drawn, right? And if you want to give the dimensions here, so you can give here as well. Okay, so this is the solution. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.